Hey folks, it's Glenn the Ball Chef, and as you can see, my beautiful wife Kyung
Hi.
is going to show us how to make a mixed vegetable medley that will pop your eyeballs out. We've been using this for special occasions, and everybody loves her cooking, so I'm going to let her showcase this scrumptious mixed grilled vegetable recipe.
It's not grilled, it's fries.
Oh, it's fries.
Okay.
It's fried vegetables.
Yes.
Okay, so she's going to show you the technique.
Okay, I'm going to show how I'll clean the asparagus. So when you buy asparagus like the longer, first you need to break the part like this. This one can eat. You need to break the older asparagus like this.
So is that a lot of work?
No.
Do you ever sing when you're doing that?
Mm-hmm.
What do you sing?
Like mountain things.
Like sing something while you're doing it.
금강산 찾아가자 이 말이 짬뽕 벌써를 아름답고 신기하구나. So like an easy way.
So you gotta make it a little fun when you're doing this, huh?
No.
But if you're singing and dancing while you're making vegetables, that's pretty cool. What are you doing now?
Make a small piece to broccoli.
Mm-hmm.
Then I'm gonna stir fries with the basil. When you get like a bigger one, you can cut like half. Okay? And then okay, done broccoli, then I'm going to squash, cut it to end, like this. Then you can cut half, then cut half, and you can cut another half, and make it like whatever you like a size. I like this size, so I'm gonna finish the rest of them. 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm gonna still fry to separate asparagus and the squash with broccoli. It's just not gonna take it long. Only 5-minute fries. Maybe not more than 5 minutes.
Does it taste good?
Tasty good, looking good. You don't need anything. You need just a little bit of olive oil and salt, pepper.
No garlic?
No garlic.
Oh.
If you like it, you can add the garlic.
Do you wash that stuff?
Yes, I did. I washed the Kangen water.
Oh really, Kyung? Now you're gonna do it?
Yes, I'm gonna chop the garlic because my husband likes the garlic. Smash the garlic. 1, 2, 3. Oops, accident. 4, 5. Oops. It happens sometimes. It's run away. But it's okay. You can clean it after. Okay, chop the garlic. So here's big fry pan. I'm gonna put in olive oil, maybe 3-4 tablespoons. Then put in the garlic. You need to make it a little brown.
You don't want to burn it though, do you?
No, it's not brown. It's like the garlic flavor with the asparagus. See that? Like that.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit more. Just a little bit more. See, some of them turn like a brown. Then you have to put in asparagus. Put in. And I'm going to put in salt and pepper. I'm going to flip it over. When you cook the asparagus, you need to put Like my husband like a little crunchy, so I'm not gonna cook longer. See the change color? Maybe I like it dark green. I can smell garlic. Garlic. I can smell garlic. Oh. I'm gonna taste it. Need more salt. That's it. Done. Done, done, done.
With the asparagus. Now what's next?
Next is the squash and broccoli. Okay, I'm gonna use the same fry pan. Do the same way. No garlic. Squash and broccoli, I'm not gonna use the garlic. Just put in olive oil. Check the temperature. Do not flame finger. Okay. I put in too fast broccoli. Actually, squash is first, broccoli is later. But it's okay.
Pretty good.
It's done. That's it. See how nice and brown?
It's not brown, it's just cooked perfectly.
Thank you.
Al dente. Now you're gonna add the asparagus?
Yeah, I'm gonna put together in asparagus. Yay!
How is it?
Really good.
Let me check it out. I'll tell you if it's good or not.
You need to check it out, honey. Come on.
I'm gonna tell you folks, this is a great dish. It's mixed vegetables with asparagus, the zucchini, the squash. All it did. Perfect. Thanks for checking by. My lovely wife Kyung put this together. People love it. Your family will love it too. I always appreciate you watching my videos. And as always, bon appetit.